So it is important when you read a document, it helps in finding a prior art to you, because you have now the document with you and you can find the prior art, what others have done. What others have done in the same area if you have a patent document for which a patent has been granted, or a patent document which has been published. And because it has a classification, I told you in the beginning also, that it has a specific kind of classification which is attached to a particular invention, and it is an international classification, and every patent document in the same area will also bear the same classification, and it helps in making the novelty searches. And you can also find out appropriate technology, identifying the inventor and applicant. Suppose you want to make use of a patent to start your own industry. In such cases, you will be looking for a technology. So how to make searches? So you must know the subject matter you are looking for and the keywords you are looking for, or you can simply find a classification. You can go to patent office, they can give you the classification, or on the website also this is available. And then search in that classification, and you will be finding who are the people who have filed those patents in it, and who are the applicants. Their addresses are there, their contacts are there, so that you can find out who are the people in this particular field of technology. And also it is possible for those who are already in this, who are already having some industry, they will come to know who are the competitors. If two giants are fighting amongst themselves, they always look for the patents of the other companies to find out what is the future, what is the strategic plan they are planning, and that is reflected in the patents. You will be surprised to know that inventions are always taken ahead of the time. Patents are taken for the things which may not be possible to be marketed in a near future, but they protect their interest. So if they want to diversify, so they take help of this kind of patents to diversify, and that reading of that document will inform a person who is a competitor, who is your competitor, and you can find out the way they are going, so that you can also diversify accordingly. And you also, in the infringement proceedings particularly, you will be knowing what kind of protection they are getting. So from the claims you will be able to find out what kind of protection they are having. In case you are not interested in anything, only you want to do some R&D yourself, you want to do, so you just need the progress of a particular or a development of a particular technology. If you come to a patent office, you will be surprised to know that we have the patents right from the patent number 1 to the 2 lakhs patent in the Indian Patent Office. You take any class, you will be able to see that how the cycle has been started and how it has become to that level. So a classified way of progress has been recorded in the patent office. But before we take that into consideration, we must know how it has been structured. The patent document, I told you in the beginning, that document has been structured, and it has special standards are being maintained for that, because it has two contents in it. One content is given by the applicant himself, that is the patent specification, which has a technical value and legal value, but the patent office provides a bibliographic content to it. Bibliographic based on the information given by the applicant himself, but it has been very, very structured information which is available in every patent document which has been given in the patent office. To know better, let me just go forward and tell you why this is happening. Because the inventor, he files his application with the patent office on a particular format. So he informs his name, who is the inventor, and what invention he has done. And the patent office, based on his application, classify it and also provides him certain information like the priority dates. When the patent has been taken in other countries, that's the priority date. Or when if there is a priority date, means the date where the patent has a date on which the invention has been filed in the patent office. So sometimes they file in other countries, and within 12 months they file in the country where they want to obtain patent again. These are the convention patent applications. So the invention can go back to that date on which it has been filed. So when you are deciding whether we should go for this technology or not, whether we should obtain a patent or not, we have to see this priority date, which is very important here. Title and abstracts are very important, because these are the tools by which we can search the technical part of the specification. Reading a whole specification may take a lot of time, But simply knowing the title and the abstract, which provides a gist of the invention, public or it can identify the subject matter of the invention as well as who is the inventor. So this is a bibliographic content which provides you this information, which has an enormous value when you start working on the patent, when you start obtaining patent for yourself or start working for doing searches for others. Bibliographic content is not only one which I have given you, it has so many things in it. It has the publication number, when the application has been published, because this is a date from which the application become known to public, and the applicant gets this protection from that date, and the kind of publication, because there are two kinds of publication. One is when the patent application has been filed, and when the patent has been granted. These publications are different, because after the publication, the patent is examined by the office, and amendments are made in the specifications, and the grant is sometimes totally different from what has been filed. So you must be careful when you see a document, whether it is a published document or it's a granted patent. It also tells you the country, and application number is a unique number for each country, and each number is and is assigned by the office itself. Each office is giving some numbers. As we proceed further in this specification, in this context, we will be showing you some examples to you how these numbers are given. Filing date, when the application is filed, the date of publication, title of the inventions, international patent classification, name of the applicant, name of the inventor, abstract, priority details, number assigned to a priority application, because this is also very important. You must know which number so that you can also look that document.
In India, when we give the numbers, on what basis, are there any basic guidelines for awarding the numbers basing on the subject matter?
These numbers are generated the day you file your application. Okay. The patent number, application number is given to you. Okay. Once the application number is given to you, you will be allowed to see this application after 18 months. Okay. Because everybody will be, the application will be published in the patent journal. Okay. So after 18 months, you will be seeing that document. So this numbers, one number which has been given by the patent office is the number, application number. But once this application is granted, we give only a number which is a unique number for this application. Okay. So that unique number is unique for that application in India. That application number will have all these details here. Yeah. If you know the application number, you will be able to know who is the applicant, who has filed it, name of the applicant, date of filing, country of priority, filing date of international application, publication date of the international application. In case its application is in different language, how you will find out? So WIP has developed standards. Okay. So each title, there is an init code. It's internationally recognized agreed numbers are there for each element of the bibliographic data. I have given you only few of them. You can see but there are so many others, because there are so many other things which can be added to this